Munini wa President Kithure Kindiki atithia marikabu yake icera ria kiwira kaunti-ini ya Kiambu gicigo mbunge gia Kikuyu
cha Sigona.
Icera riria ekumagaratie ni atongoria kiheri kuma kaunti-ini iyo igongona-ini ria kuhumba thumbi kwa aruta aria marikitie mathomo mao ngathi itiganite kuma thukuru ngurani.
Encourage you that as you get the certificate today, not just stop here. We want you to enroll for diploma, we want you to enroll for degree so that you become a global citizen.
Hindi icera riu Kindiki ni amenereirie mung'ethaniro na njira nene akiuga matire na mibango ikiene ya kuguna mbeu njithi na bururi o tiga ya kwiguna o ene na koguo gutire hindi mangeiganana na ati ihinda ni ikinyu ria ateti aria mahuthagira mbeu njithi uru ni ithiru.
And I want to say without any fear of contradiction that the time for politicians who have seen young people not as a resource, but they have seen young people as goons, as hecklers, as bloggers, and as voting machines. The time is up for those kind of politicians.
Ihinda-ini o riu Kindiki eranire mibango kiheri iria thirikari yarire ya kuguna mbeu njithi.
Tuko na program ya kuongeza idadi ya vijana ambao wanafanya kazi. Vijana ambao 2022 hawakuwa na kazi lakini wamepata kazi kupitia program ya serikali hii.
Aumagaritie ni atongoria kiheri aria ni hamwe na mũmbunge wa Gĩthũngũri Gathoni wa Mũcomba na wa Kikuyu Kimani Ichung'wa aria meranĩire kumatia ndũgũ yao.
Na tondu ndirarumaga Kimani wa Ichung'wa ngamwita maritwa matarari mega ndoka guku Gikuyu kuhoya urekeri munjohere mundekere ni mwandekera ni wihia wakwa na ndigakuruma ringi Kimani wa Ichung'wa nawe tondu nawe ndurakiri muhonokuo nawe no urakinjitaga karitwa uranjitaga no ni arokite kuria Gĩthũngũri aracemania na atumia ikundi na athuri a kiama na aramahoya urekeri.
Ngĩribotera Inooro TV njĩtagwo James Katimo.